Good morning. This is your professor. One of the big things that we'll be looking at today is research articles. One of the big things is I'm noticing some individuals are asking the question if there are any research articles, or if the topic that I'm searching for, I have to pay for it. One of the big things I would urge you is not to pay for it, because again, I don't want you to pay for it. So within that, if you go to your Diné College Libraries portion, so go to warriorweb.dinetcollege.edu, and within that you have the listing on the side, the quick links. You click on Library. Within that, you will have Diné College Libraries, which will come up with books, movies, and music, resources for research, resources at the library, resources for students, faculty, community, location, resource for distant education. So you're going to click on Resource for Research. So click there, and you're going to have a listing of a general database, which will have different article first. You have all this. You have subjects, you have automotive, you have anthropology, you have art, business, and psychology. If you notice, it follows a given pattern of A, B, C through D all the way down. So if you go all the way down, you have government, history, political science, health, medical, nursing, Native American studies, and the last one is psychology. So you have psych articles, you have psych books, you have psych info, you have a native health database. So within that, you're going to click on Psych Articles. So within Psych Articles, you're going to look for the type of article that you're looking for. You're going to look up whatever you're looking for. And within that, it'll come up with resources. That's one of the big things is if you have not gone there, I would urge you to go there. You have Psych Info, so you go there, same thing. You're going to start searching for information, books, journals, etc. One of the big things you're looking for are the articles that are pertinent to your research. That's one of the big things you're looking at is the outlook of, and that's the reason why I listed that in your syllabus, is to find out through your library, your librarian, and everything else, so that you're able to get the needed information so that you're not stuck in limbo. One of the big things is I would urge you to go there. Because one, it will help you. It will help you to find the articles that you need. But overall, I hope that helps. And within that, each of you are now in, let's see, week number 5. So you guys are in week 5 right now. So that one's already up. You have attitudes. One of the big things I'm looking at is, and I think I did stress that again, one of the big areas is making sure that, one, you will lose points for not adding references and in-text citations. Some individuals are getting confused with that. Whenever you have an in-text citation, you have to add a reference. Whenever you add a reference, you have to have an in-text citation. You can't just simply put the reference at bottom and just simply assume that I know where you're getting it from. Again, one of the things I'm looking at is I know where you're getting it from, yes, but the best way I can look at it is, or the best way I can explain it is, you're explaining this to a person who has no knowledge of psychology. That's one of the big things you're doing is you're learning to be experts in your given field, in your given field of study. And so within that, one of the big things that I'm trying to help you to understand is the outlook that you have to make sure that you're getting that in-text citation in there. If you do not have an in-text citation, you lose points for that. If you have an in-text citation, but you also have no reference, you lose points for that. But also getting in the habit of learning how to utilize in-text citation. Some individuals, I've highlighted the area of how to do an in-text citation. Within that, that's one of the big things is learning, say for example, you have two dates and you just simply put 2015 and then another one you have 2015 and they're both in the same year, but they're two different articles. I won't know which one is which. Within that, say for example, you have 2009, within that, I won't know where you're getting it from. So within that, that's one of the big things I'm urging each of you to do is to look at it from that outlook of clarifying where you're getting it from. So the best way I can do that is look at Purdue OWL. Purdue OWL will guide you with that. And if you're not taking the time, again, it's going to be a detriment to your initial grade. within that, I think that's one of the best ways I'm looking at it is teaching each of you the outlook on how to utilize APA citation and APA referencing. And I think some individuals have indicated, I'm not going to be, psychology is not my given field and everything else. Well, believe it or not, you're going to be using a lot of APA referencing points. You're going to be using it all throughout your college career because initially that's the given guided outlook is to utilize APA. So within that, hopefully that helps. So again, if you're looking for articles, do not buy the articles. Again, if you can, go through the library. Again, I think I did stress that with the syllabus. I tried to stress that with the syllabus. If you did not get that stressing enough, I'm stressing it now. Utilize the library. That's one of the big things it's there for. And I think that kind of covers everything for today. So keep pressing on. I will have, let's see, right now I'm just waiting on the given assignments. So if I go to the assignment page, that one's already up, the article summaries. So don't forget about that. That is due by Sunday, September 22nd. So don't wait on that. If you can, at least start submitting some of them now so that at least you're getting credit for that. And just filling it out. If you are having trouble finding articles, go through the library. That's one of the big things you're looking at is how can I gather the information that I need so that I'm able to fulfill the overall requirements. So within that, I hope everybody's trudging along. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. So yeah, other than that, I think that's it for me. Have an awesome day. Have an awesome afternoon. Till I see you guys later. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.